Uploading music to Soundcloud on your iPhone is super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Whether you just want to add some new tracks to your account or you're looking for a way to share your music with the world, this tutorial is for you. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps, and you'll be up and streaming in no time. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and make sure you are using the latest version of the SoundCloud mobile app. If you don't already have the app installed on your phone, simply get it from the App Store. After you've done that, simply open up the app. And then log into your SoundCloud account. Once you are on the homepage of the SoundCloud app, simply tap on the upload icon at the top right of the screen. And now you'll see your files, so your track needs to be in the files on your iPhone. Just go ahead and select the track that you want to upload. And the track is now being uploaded. While uploading, you can upload an album cover. Enter a title for your track, select the genre. Enter a brief description of the track. And add a caption to your post. And at the very bottom, you have the privacy settings for your track. By default, it is set to public, but you can toggle this on to make your track private. So once you've done all of that, you can tap on Save at the top right corner of the screen to finish the uploading process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.